Hey guys, welcome to today's video and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with an Indian wedding guest makeup tutorial, and for that I have created this monochromatic peachy pink eye look with glitter eyeliner. And this is one of those looks when I wanted something but it turned out to be something. It is what it is, but I think this look is perfect for any traditional outfit. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press the red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm just filling up the gaps and sparse areas. I'm not making my brows dramatic or overly bold because this is not a bridal makeup, and for normal party makeup I just want them to look natural. With the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated, and you can see I have some bald spots left and I'm just filling them up again. Now I'm taking this Revolution Pro Eye Element eyeshadow primer in the shade Core, and I'm just priming my eyelids. And the brush that I'm using is from Real Techniques. This is their highlighting brush. I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder and I'm just setting the primer a bit so that it does not crease. No matter if I'm using concealer or eyeshadow primer, I always set it with a little bit of loose powder. Now for my eyes, first I'm taking Babe's Night Out from my Morphe 35H Hot Spot palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color. Now on the pan it looked like a bit peachy shade, but when I started applying it, it turned out to be quite pinky, and I'm just slowly building up the pigmentation because I do not want any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking Heat Up, which is a bright peachy pink shade, and I'm just applying it on my outer V area as well as slightly on my crease, and I'm again building up the pigmentation to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking Party On, which is a dark plum shade, and I'm just repeating the previous step here. That means I'm applying it on my outer V area and then I'll be applying it on my crease, and I'm just packing the color in first before blending it out. Now I'm taking Flaunt, which is again a peachy corally shimmery color, and I'm just applying it on the middle part of my eyelid with my finger, and it matches my nail paint perfectly. I'm just blending out the edges with the same brush. Now I'm taking Strobelight, though it looks like a creamy kind of a shade on the pan, but when I started applying it, it turned out to be a purpley, peachy, creamy, shimmery shade. I don't know how to explain it, but this shade is a bit different, and I do not have any similar shade in my collection. Now I'm taking Fluorescent from my PH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette, and I'm just applying it on the middle part of my eyelid. Now I'm drawing a wing with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in the shade Jet Black. Now taking a glitter eyeliner, I'm applying it on the border of that black eyeliner, and I got these eyeliners from Amazon. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. You can use any glitter eyeliner that you have. I also love the Revlon one. The NYX eyeliners are pretty good as well. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base. Then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, I'm taking this NYX Hydra Touch Primer Oil, and I'm just applying it all over my face and neck, and then I'll be massaging it in. I am in love with this product, though they say it's a primer, but it's not a primer. It's a very lightweight facial oil, and your foundation blends just beautifully on top of it. For my foundation, I'm going with my Decay All Nighter foundation in the shade 7, and I'm just buffing it in using a damp beauty sponge from Eco Tools. This foundation is a tad bit darker than my skin tone because it does oxidize. When I first apply it, it seems to be perfect, but after some time it becomes a bit yellow for my skin tone. So please be careful while picking up your own shade. But the formula is really amazing. It is full coverage, it is very long lasting, and you need a very little amount of product to cover your entire face and neck. This foundation is perfect for bridal makeup as well. For my concealer, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in C8, and I was using this concealer for the first time and I realized it's way too light for my skin tone. I don't know, they just marketed it as a warm tone concealer, but for me, I feel like it's a very like pinky peachy undertoned concealer. And when I started applying it, for a moment I thought, do I really want to continue, or should I just remove everything and start all over again? But when I started blending it out, it just blended beautifully and it was not looking that terrible. So yeah, I'm just blending it out, and as far as the formula is concerned, I'm quite happy with the formula because it was blending beautifully and it gave me pretty good coverage as well. So I'm looking forward to pick up a different shade maybe from this line because the formula is really good. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in this shade 15, and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. This powder has a very nice yellow undertone to it, and it kind of balanced out that whitey situation. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Universal Finishing Powder in the shade Translucent. Love this stuff. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or gel eyeliner of your choice. Now I'm taking Party On with an angled brush, and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and I'm trying to make it as smoky as possible. It will take care of all those under eye wrinkles and it will make my eyes look even bigger. That is a really quick tip. Now I'm taking Heat Up with the same brush, and I'm just applying it on the border of that previous eyeshadow just to tie the look together. I'm curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Love this mascara. Now you can wear just mascara, you can avoid falsies, but I am a falsie girl, so I'll be applying falsies afterwards. You can see this mascara is bomb. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Milani highlighter in the shade Afterglow. For my falsies, I'm using these Pro Beauty lashes which I got from TJ Maxx, and I could not find it online. These lashes though, oh my god, the style is beautiful. They are so wispy, very lightweight and very easy to apply. I am in love. And here is the final eye look. Again, I was not expecting this, but I am pretty much happy with the result. Now I'm going to finish my face. For that, first I'm taking this Wet n Wild contour palette in Camel Toffee, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face with an angled brush. And you know the drill, right? Like the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline to hide all my double chins, and forehead as well as my nose. For that, I'm using an eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you must know bronzer is must. So I'm taking this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunset Bronze, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more. For my blush, I am going with this Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Rose Kiss, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks as well as on my chin and on my nose. Now I'm taking this Milani highlighter in Afterglow, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, also the apples of my cheeks, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the sides of my forehead. You know that real. And whenever I wear a pinky blush, I always tend to wear this highlighter because it has a pinky undertone to it. Now to set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Badescu facial mist, and it smells so good. For my lips, first I'm going with Colourpop Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bumble. It is my all-time favorite shade. Look at this, the shade is just perfection. And then I apply it I Represent from L'Oreal. This is their Rouge lip tint, I believe, in I Represent, just to match that eye look. And that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. I loved though how it turned out. I think this look is perfect for any traditional outfit, and it is really easy to recreate. And my jewelry, the necklace is from Amazon, my earrings are from a local market, and the gajra is also from Amazon. So yeah, if you plan to recreate this look, then please tag me on my Instagram. And as always, for your convenience, I'm listing all the products in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. If you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out as well. And please share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.